stop scrolling. This simple wooden gate can last you 10 plus years, and most people build it the wrong way. First thing, don't just grab any wood. You need a straight, dry planks or your gate will twist in a few months. Now look at this frame. Clean cuts, tight corners. This is what holds everything together. If this part is weak, the whole gate fails. Now look at this frame. Clean cuts, tight corners. This is what holds everything together. If this part is weak, the whole gate fails. And here's the mistake beginners make. They skip the diagonal support. This one piece is what stops your gate from sagging over time. Now the vertical boards go on. Notice the spacing, not too tight, not too wide. This keeps it strong and still lets air pass through. Next, the hinges. If these aren't aligned properly, your gate will start dragging within weeks. This step matters more than you think. And finally, a protective finish. This is what keeps the wood safe from rain, sun, and cracking. Now we're setting up the fence posts. These need to be solid and straight, because this is what your gate will hang on. If this part moves, your door won't last. Now we lock everything in with screws. Don't rush this, tight. Even pressure makes sure the structure stays strong for years. And now the lock goes in. This isn't just about security. It also keeps the gate firmly closed and prevents unnecessary movement. Here's where it all comes together. The gate is lined up and the hinges are fixed into the post. Notice how the bolts are tightened evenly. This keeps the door balanced and smooth. And now the lock goes in. This isn't just about security. It also keeps the gate firmly closed and prevents unnecessary movement. Finally, the handle. Clean placement, comfortable grip. Small detail, but it makes a big difference in everyday use. And just like that, a strong, clean wooden gate built the right way. If you like simple builds that actually last, follow for more daily builder ideas.